So let's go over replacing this belt clip real quick. So just 2 screws, and you can use this little thing that came with it, which is handy. Okay, so there's that. It goes on the same place, and you can see there's a little hole for the bits to slide through that, so you can still use it with this on it. It does come with 2 extra screws, which is nice, especially when they're this small. So whatever belt clip you decide to use, you can still use the bit placement on the side. Okay, so there's that. And then if you take out a bit, so when you use this, still put it through the side there. So very handy that way. I think I'll most often use it up here. There's how that works for swapping that out.